College is an exciting time filled with new experiences, but it also comes with financial challenges. For many students, this is the first time managing their own finances, and learning how to budget is essential for navigating this period without accumulating unnecessary debt. Here's a guide to help you manage money on a tight budget while still enjoying your college years. 1. Understand your income and expenses. The first step in budgeting is to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. For most college students, income may come from part-time jobs, financial aid, scholarships, or help from family. List all sources of income and then track your expenses, categorizing them into essentials like tuition, rent, groceries, and non-essentials such as entertainment and dining out. 2. Create a realistic budget. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, create a budget. Allocate funds to each category based on priority, ensuring that your essential needs are covered first. Be realistic about what you can spend on non-essential items, and consider using budgeting apps to help you stay on track. 3. Prioritize saving. Even on a tight budget, it's important to save. Set aside a small portion of your income for emergencies. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from relying on credit cards or loans when unexpected expenses arise. Start small, even if it's just $10 a week, and gradually increase your savings as you're able. Take advantage of student discounts. Many businesses offer student discounts, so always carry your student ID with you. Whether it's on textbooks, software, transportation, or food, these discounts can add up and help you save significantly over time. Don't be afraid to ask if a discount is available. Cook at home. Dining out can quickly drain your budget. Instead, learn to cook simple meals at home. Meal prepping for the week can save time and money, and buying groceries in bulk can further reduce costs. If you have roommates, consider splitting the cost of groceries and cooking meals together. Avoid impulse purchases. It's easy to fall into the trap of impulse buying, especially when stressed or when you see a great deal. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you need or if it fits within your budget. A 24-hour rule, waiting a day before purchasing non-essential items, can help curb unnecessary spending. Use public transportation or walk. If your college is in a city with good public transportation, take advantage of it. Biking or walking to class can also save money and, contribute to your physical well-being. If you need a car, consider a carpooling system with friends to share gas and parking costs. Limit credit card use. Credit cards can be tempting, but they can also lead to debt if not used responsibly. Limit your credit card use to emergencies or budgeted expenses that you can pay off each month. High interest rates on unpaid balances can quickly turn a small purchase into a significant financial burden. Find free or low-cost entertainment. You don't need to spend a lot of money to have fun. Many colleges offer free events such as movie nights, concerts, and workshops. Explore local parks, museums with student discounts, or host a game night with friends. There are plenty of ways to enjoy college life without breaking the bank. Plan for the future. Finally, start thinking about your financial future. Whether it's paying off student loans, planning for graduate school, or saving for your first apartment, having long-term financial goals will help you make smarter decisions today. Understanding the importance of budgeting now sets the foundation for financial success after graduation. Budgeting in college might seem challenging, but with careful planning and discipline, you can manage your money effectively, avoid unnecessary debt, and still have a fulfilling college experience. Remember, the habits you build now will benefit you long after graduation.